Like any technology, your wind turbine fleet needs experienced hands and extensive knowledge to remain operational for decades to come. With Vestas as your parts and repair service provider, you have access to a world-class portfolio of service solutions. For a broad range of contract types, you can rely on our vast experience from servicing turbines around the world. Whatever you need, we deliver parts and components from the biggest wind turbine brands. We also provide a wide variety of services needed to keep your assets running throughout the years. All this with competitive prices at the right time and backed by warranties. We deliver our worldwide wind expertise right to your doorstep. Vestas parts and repair offering is supported by strong digital capabilities. Our smart analytics applications use data from thousands of turbines serviced around the world to increase predictability and improve energy production. Visit Shop Vestas, the industry's leading e-commerce platform, to purchase spare parts and services in more than 80 countries around the world. With more than 40 years of experience and leadership in the wind industry, your fleet is in the best hands with Vestas, your fleet-wide lifetime service partner.